I want to make a quick video about a couple of things. One is how to save your layout. Another is how to save your template, and the last is how to apply the yellow brick road. Okay. First, to save your layout, you go to View, Layout, Save. Way down here, Save. You can see I do it by the date. 10/11. Today's not the 11th anymore. Today's the 15th. So I just update the date and click Save, and all these windows pop up all over the place. Okay, but that's how you save your layout. All right, that's all there is to it. Very simple. You go to View on this thing. You go to View, Layout, and Save. That's all there is to it. Simple. Don't need to write anything down. To save your template, you go here, go to File, Save Template, and put whatever name you want for it in there, and that will save your template. Okay. Now, the last thing I want to do quickly is, if I can do it quickly, is the yellow brick road. Here we go. I'll do it all in one video. This indicator is found in the indicator store. If you go to Insert, Indicators, sorry, that's not how you do it. I right-click on anywhere on the chart. I right-click, go to Indicators, and at the bottom it says Indicator Store. Right there. Left-click on that. That's going to bring up your indicator store. In the indicator store, you have to just click on this and reinstall it. Okay. I think that will install it. Click on that. Left-click on that. Alright, that will install the CFWTZ again, and that's where the code for the yellow brick road is. Alright, the yellow brick road by default is going to show up on your chart thin. To make it thicker, click on it. I left-clicked on it, then right-click and go to Properties. In here where it says Styles and Collection, you see what I did right there? I clicked on Styles, I clicked on the down arrow right there on Collection. That popped this box up. Right here where it says Width, click on the actual line. It'll bring up this. By default, it's this width. I changed it to the third one down. Alright, then check Save as default and close. Now, using the yellow brick road is fairly straightforward. There's a couple of ways to do it, but that's how you apply it to your charts. One way to use it is when price is pulling up to the yellow brick road. If the MA1 is below the BBC, when price is closing on the other side of the BBC, when price is closing between the YBR and the BBC, it's going to change color. If it's below it, it'll be red. If it's above it, it'll be blue. Okay? Those right there, I buy and sell them. I just put an order on right at the yellow brick road. Okay? The alternative is to wait for a time where, say, it hits the yellow brick road and it, like over here. Then you would want to wait for a close in the opposite, a close in the direction of the trade. Okay? Where it's not actually, it's not the right color for the trade. You know, the red is for selling, the blue is for buying. That's one way to trade it. All right, straightforward. You can't get much simpler than that. Another way to do it is when the yellow brick road changes directions. The bar that makes it change directions, use that as your reference bar. Okay, right here it's this level. Look for a close below that bar. Okay. So if I use this as my reference, I look for a close below it. Happens all the way over here. That's an opportunity to enter. On this one, look for a close above it. That's that bar right there. Okay, let me get rid of that. Look for the close above it. It's that bar right there. Alright, another way that people have done it is you wait for it to change directions, then wait for a pullback with a close in the proper direction off of the BBC. Okay? I'm sure there's more ways to do it, but that's just what we've done so far. Alright? So, again, recap. To save your layout on this thing, you go to View, Layout, Save. Alright. To save your template, you go to File, Save Template. This is the 6E template, but it's on the Russell. To apply a template, you go to File, and then Apply Template. And notice the difference. This is the file on the chart. That other one was not on the chart. That was on the control panel, I call it. And then the two Yellow Brick Road setups that I just told you about. Alright, that's all there is to it. www.cfrn.net/apply.